traders, today is not a day to rush. This is a high-volatility XAUUSD day because the ISM Manufacturing data can move the US dollar Treasury yields and risk sentiment. The best practical gold window is 10:15 to 11 a.m. New York time. Your job is simple. Do not gamble into the release candle. Wait for liquidity, displacement, a fair value gap, and a clean retracement before considering risk. Today's market read is simple. This is a high-volatility gold session. ISM Manufacturing data can move the dollar, real yields, and risk sentiment. That means XAUUSD can move fast, sweep liquidity, reverse, and then move again. Your edge is not guessing the number. Your edge is waiting for the market to show its hand after the data is released. The calendar focus is USD manufacturing. At 9:45, the final manufacturing PMI prints. At 10 o'clock, the high-risk ISM manufacturing PMI and ISM prices numbers hit the tape. This creates the danger cluster from 9:45 to 10:15 New York time. During this window, stand aside and let the first reaction expose liquidity. The news danger window is 9:45 to 10:15 New York time. Do not enter new trades during that window. The first spike is often a liquidity event, not a clean directional signal. Let the data shock pass. Let spreads calm down. Then demand a sweep market structure shift, displacement, a fair value gap, and a clean retracement. Here is the time map from 7:30 to 8:30, prepare only. From 8:30 to 9:45, there may be a first safer window as New York liquidity begins. From 9:45 to 10:15, stand aside. The best practical window is 10:15 to 11 a.m. New York time, but only after confirmation. After 11:30, reduce or stop unless there is a clean continuation setup. Before the news, mark the obvious pools. Asian high and low, London high and low, previous day high and low, weekly levels, New York midnight open, equal highs and equal lows. During the news, do nothing. After the news, wait for the spread to normalize and for price to reveal direction. Only then can a trade be considered. This is the confirmation checklist. No sweep, no trade. No displacement, no trade. No market structure shift, no trade. No clean fair value gap, no trade. If price does not retrace cleanly into a valid zone, do not chase. The stop must go beyond the swept liquidity, and the minimum risk to reward must be 2 to 1. Risk management is the real edge. If there is no sweep, there is no trade. If there is no displacement, there is no trade. If there is no fair value gap, there is no trade. If the retracement is messy, skip it. If price is in the middle of the range, skip it. If you feel rushed, late, or emotionally attached to a direction, step away. One clean trade is enough. Here is the final takeaway. The best practical gold window today is 10:15 to 11 a.m. New York time. Pause during every listed danger window. After the news, trade only if gold gives a clean ICT-style setup. If the window passes without a proper setup, that is not failure. That is professional selectivity. Subscribe before tomorrow's New York session for the next gold window. Before you trade, remember, this content is educational only. It is not financial advice and it is not a signal service. Trading gold, forex, CFD, futures, and leveraged products carries significant risk. Always do your own analysis, protect your capital, and use proper risk management. Trade safe, protect capital, and wait for the window.